video, so I will make some snake paper. So I will teach you how to make it. Let's go. It's here, but I cut it. Now here's the leaf. So I will teach you how to make the snail. Now I will make the snail. First we will draw. Now I will draw it. So I draw it and I will cut it.